Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, magkukulay na naman tayo ng hair. And the product that I will be using is this Ashley Shine Bio Organic. So this is the shades of Blonde Matte. Ito yung gusto kong kulay na ma-achieve ng hair ko. Pero hindi ako nag-bleach. And this is the Ashley Shine Oxidant Cream, 12% 40 volume. So yun ang gagamitin ko. So this is the color of my hair. Yan. Nag-pop up na yung black dyan. 2 months ago pala na last nagkulay ako. Kaya ayan, kita na naman yung black hair. Kasi humaba na yung hair ko. And ito yung last hair color ko, which is the light ash blonde. Yun yung gamit ko nung last. So ang gagamitin ko ngayon is itatry ko ito blonde matte. So let's start. Haircut ko ng black. gagamitin kong shampoo na L'Oreal Purple Shampoo. Para babad ko siya for 3 minutes. And then, gagamit na ako ng Keratin Color Protecting Hair Mask. So, this is from Bremod. So, I'm back, guys. So, this is the result of my hair. So, ayan. Kulay na yung black hair dyan. So, this is the outcome of the blonde matte. Very nice. Hindi pa masyadong tuyo to, kaya medyo black. So, ayan. And I'm loving it. Hair color na nilagay ko sa hair ko, which is the blonde matte. So, ayan. Hindi pa masyadong tuyo yung hair ko dito sa baba. Pero dito, kita mo na yung blonde color ng hair. So, ayan. So far, I'm loving it. And I like it. So, this is it. Nice. Yeah, as you can see, nakulayan na lahat yung black hair growth. Guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel.